Residents of Yenagoa, the Bayelsa State capital, are expressing concern over prolonged nationwide doctor strike. According to them, medical professionals whose duty is to save lives endanger the public when industrial actions drags on, as many health conditions remain unattended, putting lives at serious risks. They are therefore appealing to the federal government to urgently engage the striking doctors and addressing their demands to avert worsening health crisis in the country. Trust TV's Friday Ebimobowei Peter visited part of the city to assess the impact of the strike and now reports.
Residents, including Idinolo campus and Apostle Marbitin Sam, shared distressing accounts of their experiences during the strike, noting that people continue to lose their lives due to the absence of medical care. They stress that without doctors on duty, communities remain vulnerable.
When you are coming to the hospital, the first person to attend to you is the doctor. So where there is no doctor in the hospital, it means our health, our personal life is not assured.
You know, doctors has been called to have care for humanity, administer drugs to patients who have one ailment or the other. And when doctors who have this natural calling, because it's a natural calling, if you don't have a calling to be a doctor, you cannot be a doctor, because it has to do with caring for humanity, bringing aid to whatever ailments they have via medical attention. So if they go on strike for a very long time, it will bring death to a lot of persons who are sick.
A health expert and member of the Nigerian Union of Allied Health Professionals, Onoima Celestine, shed light on the reasons for the industrial action and urged the federal government to address the workers' demands without delay.
It's quite unfortunately that this strike is going on, because a lot of people, especially the patients, are the one bearing the brunt, and which of course is none of their fault, but the fault of the federal government on not complying with the agreement they signed with jobs. And that is just what you are seeing. It's quite unfortunate it's happening. Nobody is happy with it. We have lost a lot of patients because of this. And it doesn't take much for federal government to respect his own agreement he reached with Johesu.
At the Federal Medical Center, FMC Gate, the scene was quiet and largely deserted, with minimal activity observed due to the ongoing strike. Friday, Ebimobowei Peter, Trust TV News, Yenagoa.